What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. We're about to go check out Finish Line here in the Sherman Oaks Fashion Square Mall. I heard they had a little more things on sale, so we're gonna check them out and see what they are, see what it is. If there's anything that you guys might like. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, share the video, of course, leave a comment on anything you see here. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You dig? Like I said, I'm here at the Sherman Oaks Fashion Square Mall inside the Finish Line upstairs. As you can see, there's a lot of sales tags right now. You guys should come down here and check out some of the shoes for back to school or just catching some of the deals, man. You guys see so many different shoes have the sale tag on them. This is the time to come and cop, bruh. $120 down to 89 bucks for some Huaraches. They got them in multiple colorways. These navy blue ones right here are pretty fire in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. How much of a fan of Huaraches are you? They got I like these too. These are like what, the space or NASA ones? These are dope, only 99. These are 99. The suede on here is pretty nice, bruh. 99 as opposed to 120 for Huaraches. These ones here too, 89 bucks. These are fire, bruh. They got some other ones. These red ones. These other red ones, 89 bucks. Let me know what you guys think about these Huaraches or any shoe you guys see here that's on sale. Let's go on down here some more and check out some more of these tags. We got these Vortex, which I think are pretty dope. Pretty dope, bro. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? $69 only, as opposed to $94? I think they normally are, something like that. Let me know what you guys think about these. A lot of people say these look like off-whites. A lot of people say these look like the Nike Just Do It's. I like these ones, man. I think these are pretty fire. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section, boy. If you guys are a fan of these Air Maxes, they're on sale for $99 too, as opposed to $120. I mean, there's just so many shoes here on sale. Air Force Ones, 59 bucks, as opposed to I think $100. Some different type of Air Force One, like mid-top. That's what I'm saying, not different type, but some mid-top ones, $69 sale. You guys gotta come down here and check it out. If you are in the Valley, I recommend you come out here to the Fashion Square Mall in Sherman Oaks, right off the 101 freeway, 25% off the KDs, right? 25% off of these. Then you got the PG2s. Oh man, that pure platinum colorway with the glow in the dark outsole. A lot of people don't know that these glow in the dark at night. If you guys are into glow in the dark shoes or something like that, these are definitely something you might want to cop. Down to $79, $80 as opposed to $120. If you guys are, you know, have rewards with these places, you can get them even cheaper. $89 for the Hot Punch. I think that's what it's called, Hot Punch. The PG 2.5 in a black colorway. These ones are not on sale, but these are still pretty dope. A lot of people like the plain black colorway with the little bit of gray hint in there. Got the little bit of white Nike check and the little hint of that orange. These aren't bad. Those are still 110 actually. I might have said they were 120 before. They're 110. Then you got these right here, the March Madnesses. I think these are not on sale because these are still a popular shoe. The March Madness Paul George and the March Madness KYRIEs are super fire. Those of you guys who like LeBron Soldiers out there, you guys can cop you guys some on sale too. $99 or $100 as opposed to like what was it used to be? $130, $140. Let me flip that tag around. 25% off, $99, $98. These Soldiers are not bad, man. This is probably one of the better models of the LeBron Soldiers. Let me know what you guys think and which one of the Soldiers is your favorite. Let me know in the comment section below. Now, these are not on sale, but they're still fire as heck. Let me know if you guys ended up copping these when they came out or not. These are fire, boy. I like the multicolor going on there. I like the suede on the back. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. As you guys see, they have a wide selection of shoes, and the majority of them right now are on sale. They're changing seasons from summer into the fall season. You got Curry 5 at the top, KYRIE Pitch Blues, and the KYRIE Lows, LeBron Lows. Both LeBron Lows are actually on sale. As opposed to $150 down to $129. What do you guys think about these, man? What do you guys think about these sale prices? Is this price good or should it be lowered? I think this is not bad, bro. Both of these right here are dope. These are probably my favorite two, or two of my favorite out of the top 5 of the 15s that came out, the LeBron 15s. These are probably two of my favorite colorways. This colorway's sick. I forgot what these were called. I'm drawing a blank at the moment. But these ones are pretty fire, bro. And they have them on sale now. LeBron's shoe is a great basketball shoe. I get a lot of good reviews on the on the LeBrons. I get a good feedback on them as far as a basketball shoe. $159 as opposed to $185. So they're on sale. You got some Soldiers. Now see, this is what I'm talking about. Like these Soldiers here, they're on sale for a great price point. $104, $114. This is the better one out the two in my personal opinion. But I'm not too fond of these Soldiers. These are different from these Soldiers right here. I kind of like the gray Soldiers better. I like the gray model better. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. From 140 to 114, very, very dope sale. Dope sale. Same thing with these, down to 104. From 140 to 104. Or these were 130. From 130 to 104. Come on down here, man. If you guys are looking for some sales, some steals, and some shoes, check it out. For those of you Nike fans, fans of Air Maxes, fans of Air Forces, fans of Air Max 270 or the Air Force 270, got the 25% tag off right here, as you can see. Some of the different colorways that they have on sale. Let me go ahead and get the light on here for you guys. But these look sick, boy. What do you guys think about these? I think it's really a summertime shoe, but this shoe actually is dope, bruh. The colorways on the combination is not bad. Let me put some light on this for y'all. Yeah, that light does it justice, doesn't it? Very, very dope. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Used to be 160 down to 109. Down to 109. You guys can come check them out. They got a good amount of sizes, some 9s, some 10s, some 11s and a halves. Check out these Air Maxes right here. What do you guys think about this model? Is this something you guys wanted? You guys like this one? Can you do without the new model of this Air Max? I think it's cool in certain colorways. Down from $130 to $99. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. They got a pretty good size run of those. Then you have some different Air Force ones, which you've seen probably on the wall when I just scanned the panel. Some lows for $69. Down from $89 to $69. What do you guys think about these? The yellow outsole to go with the yellow check. The materials on here are pretty plush, bro. I don't know why people didn't copy these. If you're an Air Force One fan, these are not bad. I'm not so much a fan of Air Force Ones, but these are fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Now, we definitely have seen these Air Force 270s down to 134. I like them. The black and white colorway is pretty dope. Not too much white, not too much black. This is very, very dope color combination of the shoe. I like this colorway, the simple black and white. You can match it with pretty much everything. Air Force 270. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Did you guys go after these? Did you guys own a pair of the Air Force 270s? Or were you guys just good on them? I think they're really dope though. I think they're dope. I don't think the buckle's too much. I think the Air Max is dope. I gotta actually probably cop a pair and take these home and see what they look like, you dig? Now, what do you guys think about these right here? These Air Maxes. Air Max 93, 130, used to be 130, now they're down to 99. Let me know what you guys think about these. They have these in a few different colorways. I like that shiny blue Air Max bubble. That's hard. The orange colorway, this is not bad. Something like a New York Knicks or something like that. Maybe like an OKC. What do you guys think about these? Let me know in the comment section. Are these a cop or pass? They got them on sale for 99 bucks, bro. A lot of sales going on. There's so many shoes. There's so many shoes here, so much fire, so many shoes here on sale. I guarantee you, you guys come out here, you will find what you need. Maybe at other finish lines it's going like that, but I haven't seen it. The one here in Sherman Oaks got a lot of them on sale. I recommend you guys come out here and see something you guys might want to cop, you dig? That are fire. I'm gonna show you what I like the most. If you guys have any questions about anything, just timestamp it and ask me and I'll try to give you the best answer or find out for you. But there's so many shoes here on sale that are dope. I don't want to go through every single one of them and hold you guys up, but I will show you ones I like in particular, you dig? Let's go. So many sales in here, man. I might have to make this a two-part video. You gotta forgive me if I do. There's so much and I want you guys to see it all. Let's get back to these shoes. Okay, another Air Force 270. Very dope shoe. I like the colorway. I like the colorway with the red in particular on the back of the shoe. Very dope. $129 price point. Like I said, we're gonna move along because I don't want to hold y'all. These ones are fire. A lot of people slept on these, but they are dope. Maybe that's why they're here on sale. $194 price point as opposed to being like $250 or something like that. You gotta love that translucent clear blue bottom. What do you guys think about these foam pods in the comment section below? They got these Kobe's right here. These ones I think are pretty dope. I like this colorway, $84 as opposed to $99, pretty much $100. What do you guys think about these in the comment section, these Kobe's? Kobe's been coming with some shoes even though he's been retired, man. These are pretty dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below?